Video, I'll be showing us how to recharge on TMG using Naira. You click on pause. You click on recharge underneath the Naira. You click on immediately recharge under this YouTube video. Put in the minimum amount 7,000. Click on immediately recharge. Okay. Now the timer is ticking. You have to make sure you make payment before the timer is over. These are the details of to send the amount to. So you ensure you write that down somewhere and you input the sender's name and all that. So let's go to my app right now to make the payment. We'll come back here and input that. So right now I have inputted the amount I want to send to the lady. Okay. This is the name. And to put in the remark, I'll come to my app and copy this remark here, narration. Okay, that is my code, so that whenever I make the transfer, I will be credited on my TMG app. Next thing is to click continue. I put in my PIN. And my transfer is done. I take a screenshot of this. I come to the app, input my sender's name, and upload the screenshot. So I've submitted right now. Take the screenshots and submit it. So that is done. So I have to wait patiently for it to be credited into my account. And guys, the deposit has just arrived. The deposit has just arrived. So that's it, guys. Very easy, simple, and swift. And this is it, sitting gently in the account. So thank you, guys. So go ahead and make your payment through the Naira.